Good morning, student. Yesterday we have studied about spaces. Today we will learn about shapes. When you are inside your house or when you go out in some garden or in some other places, you can see different types of shapes. Some of the basic shapes which you have to learn in class 1, they are square, rectangle, circle, triangle, oval, star, pentagon, hexagon, octagon. These shapes you have to learn in this class. So the first shape which you are going to learn is square. You can see square shape is there in this slide. A square has 4 sides. All sides of a square are equal. आप इस फिगर में देख रहे हैं स्क्वायर which is of 4 sides. You can count it 1, 2, 3, 4. And all the sides of square are equal. Next you can see examples. Examples of square shape. Which are the example you are seeing in this slide? Yes, it is carom board which is square in shape. Then cookies. Cookies are also square in shape. इसके अलावा और कौन से एग्जाम्पल्स हैं जो स्क्वायर शेप में हैं? यस, कुछ बुक्स हो सकती हैं, नोटबुक, इवन योर इरेजर, शेप ऑफ अ कूलर. दिस ऑल आर स्क्वायर शेप. नेक्स्ट शेप विच यू आर गोइंग टू लर्न इज रेक्टेंगल. रेक्टेंगल शेप. इट इज़ गिवन. You can see in the slide rectangle shape. Rectangle में how many sides are there? You can count 1, 2, 3, 4. So a rectangle has 4 sides and opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. When you see the rectangle shape, अगर आप उसमें नाम देते हैं, if you name the rectangle 1, 2, 3, 4, तो you can see 1 and 3 they are of same size. 2 and 4 they are of same size. मतलब जो opposite sides है रेक्टेंगल के वो इक्वल रहते हैं. स्क्वायर में all the 4 sides are equal और रेक्टेंगल में opposite sides are equal. Then you can see examples of rectangle. कौन कौन से examples you are seeing in this slide? A ruler, your scale, then book, then your wristwatch also you can see. Books, notebooks, some toys, your cricket bat, study table. These all are the examples of rectangular shape. Then the next shape which you can see is circle. Circle आप देख रहे हैं. A circle is round in shape. Round है and it has no sides. जैसे आपके स्क्वायर में 4 sides हैं, रेक्टेंगल में 4 साइड्स हैं, वैसे सर्कल में कोई साइड नहीं. इट इज़ जस्ट मेड अप ऑफ कर्व्ड लाइन्स. सो अ सर्कल इज राउंड इन शेप एंड इट हैज़ नो साइड्स. नाउ यू टेल मी एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ सर्कुलर शेप. यहाँ पर हम क्या क्या देख रहे हैं? विच ऑब्जेक्ट्स यू कैन सी इन दिस स्लाइड विच आर सर्कुलर इन शेप? फर्स्ट इज क्लॉक, सेकेंड सीडी, थर्ड रुपी कॉइन, also carom coin, then chapati, your pizza. These all are circular in shape. Next shape is triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. The triangle which you are seeing in the slide, it is of purple color. Okay, it has 3 sides. 3 sides are there. All the 3 sides may be equal or all the 3 sides may not be equal. इसके तीनों साइड बराबर भी हो सकते हैं या बराबर नहीं भी हो सकते हैं. This you can learn in your higher classes. Then examples of triangle. Which are the object you are seeing? Set squares, then triangular frame, sandwiches. इधर आपको slices of watermelon भी दिख रहे हैं. These all objects are of triangular shape. Your next shape is oval shape. Oval shape, circular shape की तरह ही, it has no side. Then examples of oval shape: egg, balloon, pear, a type of fruit. These all objects are having oval shape. Your next shape is star. A star has many sides. Star के बहुत सारे sides होते हैं. Examples of star shape are golden star, starfish, sky stars. This golden star, a type of stars which you are tucking on your dresses. Then starfish, a type of fish. Then stars which are present in our sky, which are twinkling in the night. These all are the examples of star shape. Your next shape is pentagon. Pentagon, it has 5 sides. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A pentagon shape has 5 sides. Your next shape is hexagon. हेक्सागन में कितने साइड्स है? जस्ट काउंट इट. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. तो जो शेप विच इज़ ऑफ 6 साइड्स, that type of shape is known as hexagon. Your next shape is octagon. An octagon has 8 sides. Octagon shapes के कितने sides होते हैं? 8. You can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So an octagon has 8 sides. So students, you have learned today different types of shapes. कौन कौन से shapes हमने आज पढ़े? Just recall it. Square. Square is having 4 sides. Then rectangle. Rectangle is also having 4 sides. Circle, just round in shape. It has no sides. Then oval. Oval is also not having any sides. Then star, it has many sides. Pentagon, it has 5 sides. Hexagon, it has 6 sides. Then octagon, it has 8 sides. Go through these slides twice or thrice. Learn it. Learn all the shapes. Learn the properties of shape. 1 or 2 properties sufficient. Okay. Goodbye children. Thank you.